On the 29th of February, the defendant began to leave his home. Caitlin was dead, and he was on the run. A person who's justified, who acted lawfully, who acted to defend someone, they do not run. They stay in place. They do the right thing. They ended the threat. They call the police and they tell them what has just happened. It's the first thing that they say. They yell it at the top of their lungs. They scream that they had no other choice. But the defendant didn't do that, and he didn't do that because he had choices. There were options that didn't involve putting a bullet through an unarmed woman's head. He knew then that what he had done was not justified. It wasn't in defense of someone else, and it wasn't to stop a kidnapping. It was a murder, and he acted like a murderer. You know, a murderer packs their clothes and drives through the night with two little girls after he has killed their mom and left that mom dead in his living room. A murderer turns off his phone so the police can't find him. A murderer needs 16 hours to tell the police that something happened. And that's how long Dustin Duren had. From 6 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. when he left that house until he was taken into custody at 10:30 the next morning, he had 16 hours. But you know what's even more is a murderer needs 3 hours of background testimony at a trial before he can tell his new version of what happened.
Can I have your coach?